Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. I hope you're enjoying the content. I hope you guys are doing well. Tonight we've got a review number 2 of the Undead Beard King series. Tonight I'm going to go over a couple of more combos for you guys. Stay tuned after the intro and we'll get right into it. Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. I hope all is well with everybody. Thank you guys for the continued support. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you watch the video and you enjoy it and you think there is something to learn or you've learned something, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tonight we're going to go over a video number 2 of the Undead Beard King series. Little bit of information for you. The owner's name is Mr. Unknown. He comes from parts unknown in Las Vegas, of course. He is passionate about making Cologne scents. He's also passionate about horror movies. The horror icons is in Michael Myers, Jason Voorhees, Freddy, Chucky, just, you know, all the gore maniacs. He kind of had an vision of what these characters would smell like if he was there. That'd be, how cool is that? That's like thinking outside the box for sure. And tonight we're going to go over a couple more for you guys. As I do each video, I will link them in the description. That way you can kind of follow the series. Tonight we're going to go over the scents Chainsaw and Nightmare. First I want to show you his business card. Pretty cool. I love the label. The label is just awesome. The logo, label, whatever you want to call it. And what's cool is on the back of the business cards are the actual scents. And with each order, he sends you kind of like a small gift. You know, depends on whatever, you know, scent he's sending you or what you've ordered. He'll send you like a nice gift or something, like I showed you in the very first video, which is, I think it's awesome. You know, people like that. I like that. You know, it's thinking outside the box. The good thing about these products, they're all organic. There's no parabens, nothing bad for your beard. And the best part about it, these actually have become my favorite beard products to use. The oil is super thick. The beard butter is organic, and it's just it feels amazing. If you wanted to style your beard with just the oil, you can just use the oil. If you wanted to use the oil and the butter, you don't need much of either one of them because it, you know, a little goes a long way, and it just makes your beard feel absolutely amazing. Okay, enough about that. We'll get on with the review. And like I said, the first scent is called Chainsaw. And look at that label. How cool is that? Waterproof and oil proof. And the scent profile for the Chainsaw is Polo Red Extreme. And if you're familiar with that cologne, this is point on. Like, this is probably the closest I've ever smelled of the actual cologne. This is pretty spot on. I'll put all the ingredients right here. I'll put the oil ingredients here and the butter ingredients right here for you guys real quick. And like I said, the consistency is super thick. I don't know if you guys can see that. Before I end the video, I'll give you like a run test. And like I said, Polo Red Extreme, it's got that nice like punch in the face, but not too hard to give you a headache type of scent. It's just a super soothing scent of cologne, that red polo that we're all familiar with. Just awesome scent, awesome scent. I highly recommend this company to anybody. The price point for these products, I feel in my own personal opinion, is low for these quality of products. The way they feel in my beard is just unbelievably good. And you know, I say that about a lot of, you know, products that I've reviewed, in which they all feel extremely great in my beard. But these ones are just, something about these ones just make my beard feel absolutely amazing. And the beard butter, like I said, it's absolutely great. It's buttery smooth, and you can see the consistency. And I'll go ahead and show you. I mean, it's just buttery soft, like you just took this out of the microwave soft. I'll get a little bit out and show you guys. And I don't know, yeah, see how smooth that is? It just starts running. And it's just gone. There's a little bit in there yet, but oh, it smells so good, man. And like I said, it's Polo Red Extreme. The oil, if you used oil and butter, you just probably need like a half a dram of oil, and maybe like a fingernail full of the butter, and it just spreads evenly, thoroughly. Your beard smells freaking awesome. Like, that's the only word I could use with these products. Everything about these products, I firmly believe, in my own opinion, of me using these products, they're just, the price point is there. The labels are awesome. If you are into horror movies, these products, I believe, are for you. The owner is totally kick-ass. I talked to him a bunch of times. He's outgoing. He knows what he wants. He knows what he's doing. And this is just a hobby. Like, he's not out to make, he's not out to make millions. This is just a hobby for him. And that says a lot, you know. And the next scent we'll go over is called Nightmare. And this one is Armani Code. Sorry about that glare, guys. I hope you can see that. And again, if you're familiar with Armani Code, this one's even more subtle than the chainsaw, but it just smells so damn good. I mean, I cannot say enough about these products. I mean, again, thick consistency. The price of these, I know I keep saying that, I feel like I'm on repeat when I keep saying this, but just the price point of these, guys, you're gonna be like, no way. Because just the way they make your beard feel, to me, my own personal opinion, and the way I've used these products, just fantastic. Everything about these products. And again, the butter, I don't think I've used the butter on this, but it comes with a full tub of butter. I mean, just look at that consistency. And just buttery soft, buttery smooth, everything about it. Again, I'll just get some on my palm. I'll rub it in. Wonder what that smells like together. Man, even that's really good. Guys, like I said, the Undead Beard King, I'll link everything in the description box. I highly suggest you check this company out. When you see the prices for these products, it's crazy. It's crazy, you know? Like I said, I talked to the owner quite a few times. Real outgoing guy. Loves Halloween. Loves the horror icons. Loves horror flicks. And, you know, he does this on the side. He's not looking to make millions off of this. He just does this on the side. Guys, that'll do that for review number 2 of the Undead Beard King series. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new. Be watching out for video number 3. Until then, I'll see you on the next one.